All right, guys, today we had a Zoom meeting. This is March 4th, 2020, and I had intended to record the Zoom meeting, but apparently it didn't get recorded. So this is just kind of like a highlight of what we talked about. And if you have any questions, just email me later. So just kind of wanted to let you know, first of all, that I was proud of you and y'all's work ethic and everything's been so great this year up to this point, and I just wanted to thank you all for that. I also discussed talking about uh, returning back to KHS before the end of the year. I'm hopeful that we will, but it's not really likely in my opinion. And that's just, my personal opinion. I hadn't heard anything from the district from that, but as of right now, we should plan accordingly that we won't be returning. Um, and also, as far as the AP exam goes, because this year's kind of ended on a weird note, uh, I believe you have an opportunity to seek a refund from the College Board. So maybe contact Ms. Holt in the AP office and she'll get you more information about that. Now, as far as the rest of the year goes, we're not going to be doing any more new content due to the changes in the AP exam. The year for us has officially ended content-wise with simple harmonic motion, our last unit. So what that means is from here until the rest of until the end of the year, all we'll be doing is spending time on reviewing for the AP exam. So no more new content. Any kind of previous information I've sent to you, an outline or anything like that previously, just disregard that, and we'll kind of start fresh with the review. Now, what they've done to the AP exams, they've changed it to where you're going to be taking the AP exams at home. And they hadn't told us exactly about dates or times or anything like that, but they did tell us that the exam will only be a 45-minute exam, and you'll have two different opportunities, two different dates to do that. And then it's only going to be for response. There's not going to be any multiple choice questions. So part of what I'm going to be doing until from here till the end of the year reviewing is specifically addressing how to be successful on free response questions. Now, as far as what we're going to be doing for the review, I will direct you to the link you see on the page there that the College Board is producing some review video sessions for all the different content areas. There's a schedule that's posted. You can subscribe to that YouTube page, that link that I sent you. And that's going to be a good place to start because you'll get a good idea of what kind of information they are specifically looking for. I'll also plan on doing some review sessions via Zoom meetings and also some YouTube videos. I know Mr. Campbell is going to be doing some live streams as well, so maybe send him an email and find out what his schedule is, or I can get that posted as well. I'm going to be sending you some outlines about specifically what content we have studied and kind of allow you to focus on what you're going to be doing. I'll also direct you to some online resources, some places where you can do some good self-study, and we'll be working on some practice problem sets, kind of as a group, working through them and showing you what I'm expecting on those kind of problems. Some other information that kids had asked questions about. As far as grades, there's probably not going to be any more grades for the foreseeable future. It may change, but the way I understand it is that whatever grade we have at the third 9 weeks is going to be the grade that we end with. If there are any grades that I have to talk about or assign, it's going to be easy. It's going to be completion grade probably only. Um, but as far as right now, I don't know any more information than anybody else. I don't know if we're going to have grades or not. But if you do have questions, just be patient about it because the district's still in the process of gathering that information and passing it down to us, and then we'll let you know. some of the content that we were going to be missing on waves and sound and electric circuits, or for the Physics 2 and Physics C classes, we're going to miss the quantum physics and nuclear physics, and then also the gravitational motion or gravitational force and orbital motion sections. If you want that content, if you want to get with me to learn what that is, just email me and I'll help you out with that. I got a question about if you're a student moving from the AP Physics 1 class to the senior level Physics 2 or Physics C classes, is the missing information going to be critical? And it's not. We'll be able to make up anything that we missed next year, and so don't worry about that. We'll take care of it next year whenever we get in class. I did have technical issues today, so I had planned just to have the recorded Zoom meeting up on YouTube, on my YouTube channel, but look for that the next time. Also look for some emails about the schedules on when I'm going to do some Zoom meetings, and also post stuff on YouTube. And then finally, I've created some folders on Canvas under the files section for your review information. Anything I email you, I'll post up there. And to end with, guys, I'm going to be real flexible with my expectations. Just do your best. Feel free to ask questions and voice your concerns. I'm not really super picky about what's going on as far as this class goes. I just want you to feel comfortable going forward, because I know you got a lot of other things going on, other classes, personal life stuff. So just let me know if you have any issues or questions, and we'll take care of it. But thank you guys for listening, and I'll see you later. Bye bye.